XLOOKUP is, in my opinion, the superior option to both VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. It combines the functionality of both of these functions, it's easier to use, and it needs less processing power. To use XLOOKUP, simply write equals XLOOKUP and specify the search value, the search area, and return area. However, note that the search and return area must be of the same size. Also, by entering the function in the manner you see below, I'm able to change the variables directly from the cells specified, making the demonstration even easier. So, in this example, we want to find out which car is the cheapest. I've used the min function on all prices to determine the smallest price and entered that as the search value. Then I've determined the C column as the search area and the A column as the return area. As we can see, this will return the cheapest car brand, which in our case is Ford. If we instead want to find one of the cars that is next to the Ford, we change our search value to Ford and our search area to the row where it is located. Then we can change the return area to the row above or below that. Now, if you want to learn more tips and tricks for how to use Google Sheets, check out this playlist.